So I thought it would be fun. I just got my most recent Grove collaborative order, and I thought it would be fun to open it with you guys and show you what I got. If you don't understand how this works, I can explain it to you again. I pay one fee a year. I think it's $20 for the whole year. I get free shipping on every monthly order, and I also get free stuff every month. So I'll show you what stuff I got for free in here and what stuff I actually purchased. I love Grove Collaborative. I'm also going to put a link down below in the description, and I think you guys get something. I have to look at it. Sorry, I'm like waving this knife around. So this is what I got for free. Well, one of the things. And I got this for free. And I love how they tape all the lids so they don't leak. It's just so smart. This is Meyers and Method, both do body products also. This is Method, what scent is it? Cucumber Seaweed Green Tea. So I got this whole bottle for free. This is $7 at Target. And this is amazing. I usually buy the peony smell, so this is the first time I'm trying cucumber. I'm so excited. I got these for free. Free shipping, only $20 a year. So let's see what else I got. So this is the anti-bac, but I forgot I ordered it. So you can use this like as an antibacterial. It says it kills 99.9% of household germs. Cleans and disinfects. This is spearmint. I haven't used this yet. I'm excited to try it. Oh, and you know what? I think I got this for free too. This is geranium. I told you I loved this that I sprayed on myself. This is the multi-surface spray. Guys, I have a lot of cleaning products. You should see under my sink. Moving on. This next product is Method Anti-Bac for the toilet. I haven't used this yet. I'm really excited to try it out. What smell is it? Spearmint. I wonder if I can smell it. Woo! It really does smell like spearmint. It's all over my nose now. I guess I should probably smell this too, huh? Yeah, that must be spearmint too. Yes, it smells really good. It smells like gum, but not like in a gross way. It smells like spearmint. Okay, moving on. I got some more glass cleaner because I go through this stuff so fast. Soothing Rosemary and Lavender Bar Soap. This is another thing that I got for free. This is a Grove product. So Grove also makes their own products as well as selling other natural products. They don't just have cleaning products, they have baby products, they have obviously body products. I'll put the link below so that you guys can see everything that they have. This is something that I'm so excited about. So I told you I loved the Squirt Mop. They had it in different smells, different fragrances. So this one is Lemon Ginger. I have no idea what this smells like. And I'll be honest with you if I don't like it. Lemon Ginger. I have to go like this. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Not like roast ginger. It smells like a really good version of pine salt. Woo! It's in my eyes and my nostrils. And this next one is another Squirt Mop scent that I have not tried before. Didn't even know they existed. And these are for not wood floors. Definitely make sure you read it before you use it to make sure that, oh my gosh. That is the most amazing smell ever. Guys, I'm telling you, you will want to clean your floor every day. If you are a messy person, if you are a person that has little children and it's impossible to clean, you have to try these products. No one's paying me to say this. That smells so good. I can't even describe what that is that smells like. You can only get this that I've seen on the Grove website. You can probably get it on Method's website, don't quote me. Ginger and yuzu. This smells so amazing. I kind of want to like stop this video and just clean it. Now, for my favorite thing, the thing I've been looking forward to the most. I went to Target. Remember I told you Mrs. Meyer's stuff is seasonal. I went to Target and they have their fall fragrances. And I'm going to smell them right now. I can kind of smell them in the bag already. I haven't even taken them out of the bag yet. I can already kind of smell them. If you're smelling them in the store, sometimes it's safer to smell the dish soap because the multi-surface spray can kind of just, like you've seen, shoot up in your face. So this is pumpkin. Okay, cleaning stuff that's pumpkin. It sounds gross, right? No, it's amazing. Let me smell it. Pop the bubble so I don't inhale it. Guys, it smells like a pumpkin candle. Like I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I literally, when I smell it, I feel like I'm in an orchard about to go on a hayride. Like it takes me right to fall. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you don't try this, you're dumb. This smells so good. Let me just see if this smells. Oh, that smells good too. So this is pumpkin I'm showing you right now. It literally smells like a pumpkin candle, like a really good pumpkin candle. And this other fragrance is apple cider. Oh my gosh, I smell it and I feel like it's fall. It's July. Oh, it smells so good. I feel like this would be like a good transition, like you're getting ready, you're leading up to fall, like the apple cider would be like a good transition scent. I'm so basic. And then like this would be good for October, so I would use this in like September and then this in October. I can smell them through the plastic. Oh, they smell so amazing. I love them. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm so excited to show you something that I'm excited about. Try some of these products out. Definitely check out Grove Collaborative. I know, like, when I first heard of it, it was confusing. I didn't really understand how it worked. It's not like a subscription service. Like, you don't pay a monthly fee. You pay one $20 fee a year. You get free shipping every time. There are scheduled shipments, but you can change how that works and how you want to get it. Also, lots of free stuff. Like I said, I got this for free, this for free, this for free. So you just get a lot more for your money. I could go down to Target and buy all this stuff, and sometimes I do go to Target and buy stuff, but I get extra things just because I order from them. So I love Grove Collaborative. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys try out any of these products, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you try out something and you like it or you don't like it, I definitely want to hear your opinion and what you guys think about these things, about these different products, about all natural products. I have to smell this again. Again, thanks for watching this video. I love you guys. Please subscribe, please comment, please like, and also hit that little bell at the bottom underneath where it says subscribe, and you'll get notified every time I post a video.